Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today I'm just going to give you a quick flip through of the latest kit. Now this is Mixed Words and Phrases 2 and these are really lovely because we've got them in little clusters, so they're all ready made out for you, so you just need to sort of fussy cut them and they're all ready to go onto one of your projects. So these are lovely ones. So we've got imagination, we've got dedication, escape the ordinary, spread love, joyful. We've got lots. So these have got beautiful pictures of roses and flowers behind it. So we've got 72 altogether throughout 3 pages. This one here has got my papers behind it from various kits. So they've got lots of lovely words on there as well, and on this one it's sort of like one that you can make yourself, so you can take your words and pop them over the little pictures here as well, but they're really lovely. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go away, I'm going to cut them all out and I'm going to start making something. So I shall be back and show you what I've been doing. Alright guys, see you in a minute, bye. Hi guys, okay, so what I've been doing, I've cut all of my embellishments out, and what I've done, I've decorated a box with them because I wanted something to put them in, because I've got 2 kits now, so there's lots and lots of words and phrases in there, and pictures, so I just wanted to have them all in one place. So what I thought I'd do is something a little bit different, and I've decorated a box. So this is a nice wooden box, and I've just painted it really basic, and I've stuck these on. I've stuck them on with some Mod Podge. I haven't gone over the top with anything yet, so I'm not quite sure what to put on top of it yet, so I might wait and get some varnish, but I've just stuck them on with Mod Podge all around the sides, and I've inked around the edges, so it looks really nice. So that's the sides. So, and then inside I've put both words and phrases embellishment kits in here. So I've cut them all out, and they're really quite simple to cut out because they're all sort of like flat edges, so there's nothing too bad about them. So I've put them all in here, so now I've got somewhere to keep them all, and then I can just go through all of this, and I've got lots and lots of words in here and embellishments to pop on anything that I've got, so I know where they all are. But I thought this box was lovely, so it's really simple. You can do it with any box, upcycle a box or anything you like, just paint over it, and then I've just popped them all over, really easy, with a bit of this Mod Podge on there, stuck it all down, and then I actually put some gesso over the top as well, just a little bit. You can also do that with white paint, you don't have to have gesso, it's just to make it look a bit shabbier. I didn't want to do too much because this will, if I stuck anything else on it, it wouldn't sort of like sit on my shelf and things can go on top. So I didn't want to make it with ribbon or lace or anything on it. I just wanted to keep it quite basic. So that's what I've done now for using the embellishments, the words and phrases kit. So I thought they were really nice, and then again you've got all that room to put all your other bits and pieces in. So I think they're really lovely, love them. So that's a really nice box. And also I did a freebie on the website, on my Facebook page. Now this one was here, look, so this is my Easter freebie page. Now what I've made out of it, I've made a little journal, and this is one that I've actually covered, which is completely unlike me, but I've made it shiny. I've actually covered the paper with this book paper, with this stuff that you, it's sticky back plastic, see-through, and it's to protect books. So I popped it on there because I wanted to make one to put in my kitchen, because I want to write some recipes in it, because we've been doing a little bit of cooking, a little bit of baking, and I thought it'd be quite nice to write them all down, and then because I'm so messy I can just wipe it off, so it's ideal to keep in the kitchen. And I popped one of the little ones on there. I actually covered one of those with the sticky back plastic as well on there, and I've just stuck it on the page, so that's joyful. So it's a really lovely page. It's an Easter one. This actually reminds me of sort of that plastic tablecloth so you can just rub it off and it's really, really lovely. So I thought it was a lovely, lovely freebie this week for Easter. So I'm looking forward to what you guys make. Love to see them. So that's just a quick, easy. All as I did, I covered it with a plastic, and then I've covered the inside with some material, and then I've sewn all around the outside and added a little pocket so I can pop a little recipes in there too that I write down. So there we go, guys. And this is just some cheap paper that I've put inside because I don't need anything too fancy. So I thought that was really nice, keep in the kitchen. And also I've got one of these like little bulldog clips, and I thought we could actually even just pop that over the top, and you can hang it on a hook in the kitchen so you know where it is, or on your fridge. You can hang it from there, you can hang it from the corner, or use that as a little closure as well, so we know where everything is, so I can hang it up. So there we go, guys. I hope you liked that. So there's a couple of bits that I've been making today, and there's the little box, so do give it a go. Do upcycle any boxes that you do have, and then we've got a nice little safe place to keep them all in, and then you can just have a nice little rummage through there on whatever you'd like to use on your projects. Alright guys, well, you have a lovely, lovely weekend. I hope you're staying safe, and I will see you next time. Alright, take care. Bye bye.